Write the second example. I'm writing the second example. It is a very interesting. I don't know how many people will give answer. Start, main. Now let's see. See everyone, everyone see. See the answer. Everyone see, compile this program. Everyone see this one. Compile this program. For static variable memory will allocate. Compile this program for static variable memory allocate. Let me allocate where value 5. Listen, where value 5 address 1000. Compile time itself memory allocated. Let me give the numbers 1 here, 2 here. If 2 is true, then go inside 3, 4. If second true, then 3, 4. If second fail, closed bracket 5. Second fail, directly closed bracket. If second pass, then 3, 4, then 5. So please careful, I am starting. Compile this program for the static variable memory will be allocated. Static variable memory will be allocated in the static area. Okay, that's okay. Now let me run the program. Everyone observe. See how I am running the program. Everyone observe. Main, first line. See the first line. By seeing static, because of running going on, running means processor. Everyone observe. Running means processor. By seeing static keyword, right? Static means related to compiler. So you don't do anything. Processor is running the program. By seeing the first line static keyword, he got to know, oh, it is related to compiler. Compiler already done. I don't do again. So first one, simply skip it. Don't do any work. See the second one. Condition true or false. Where value 5. 5 minus is 5 only. Where value 5. Condition true. Listen, very interesting answer. Very interesting answer. Where value 5. 5 minus is 5 only, because it is the post decrementation. So this line is completed. So finally 5k. So if 5 condition true. But one thing, right? Whenever you say this is completed, if 5 condition true, it became 4 immediately. See, this time is 5 only, but after this line over, it became 4. So because of second line is true, I have to execute 3 also, 4 also, then 5. 5 means ending. Now see the third line. Recursion called. Now again see 1, 2. If at all 2 is true, 3, 4 and 5. Let me check the first one. Because of static, skip it. Second one, where value 4. 4 minus is 4 only. Condition true. But one thing, whenever you say second line is over, it became 3. Now I think the third line, because of condition true, go inside 3, 4, 5. Second condition true means you have to go inside 3, 4, 5. Try for 3. Now 3 going on. Now everyone observe 3 going on. First one, skip it. Second one, see the second one, where value is now 3. 3 minus is 3 only. Condition true. Whenever you say second line is over, second line true. But when you say second line is over, it became 2 immediately. Then because of second line true, you have to go 3, 4, 5. What is the 3? Recursion called again. Recursion called. See the first one, skip it. Second one, where value 2. 2 minus is 2. Condition true. When you say second line over, it became 1. Then because of second line true, 3, 4, 5. Can you go to the 3? 3 is the recursion. Everyone observe. Main going on. First line, skip it. See the second line. Everyone observe. Second line, 1 is there. 1 minus is 1 only. True. 1 minus is 1 only. True. Whenever this statement is over, it became 0. Because of it is true, listen, because of it is true, lastly 1. If 1 condition true, then 3, 4, 5 I have to execute. Let's go for 3. Everyone observe. Let's go here. Very interesting statement is coming. Can you see everyone? Main is called. See the answer. Main is called. First line, skip it. See the second line. Everyone observe. Second line, everyone observe. Everyone. 0 minus is 0. 0 minus 0. Condition is fail. 0 minus means 0. Condition is fail. Right? Condition fail. Because of condition fail, 3, 4 not required. directly go to fifth line. Condition true, then 3, 4. Condition fail, directly fifth line. But one thing, condition true or false doesn't matter. Because of you done 0 minus minus, which is 0. After this line is over, it became -1. It became -1. Now listen, because of second condition is fail, I will go to fifth one. What is the fifth one? Fifth one means this function is over. This function over means, now see the answer. This function over means, everyone observe, this function over means it is popped out, means third line is over. Can you say what is the fourth line? Third line is over. What is the fourth line? Fourth line is saying that printf where. What is the where value? -1. -1 printed. So I think that fourth line over. Fifth line function over means it is a popped out. This is popped out means 3 over. What is the fourth line? Fourth line printf where. Remember we have only one where, -1. This also completed. Lastly function over, popped out. Then 3 over. What is the fourth line? Print where, only one where is there, -1. This also over. Function is over. This is cancelled. Then print where. What is the answer? -1 printed. Then I think a function is over. This is popped out. Then what is the answer? Print where, -1. This is also completed. Then function over. Main also popped out. So over. Answer is going to be -1 5 times. -1 5 times. Someone is saying missed last post decrementation. Exactly, bhaiya, exactly. After gate exam is over, people say this only. Ayyo Rama. After gate exam is over, people say this only. Ayyo, post incrementation I forgotten. Ayyo, pre incrementation I forgotten. This is what will happen in the exam. You will prove that, gate exam person prove that you don't know post incrementation. Gate exam person will prove that you don't know if condition. Gate exam person will say that you don't know pre incrementation. I know many people will give wrong answer for this. And one more interesting thing, if you want, you can check. Memory created, see this one. Static variable memory will be created only once in the static area. Compile time. And one more, initialization also only one. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of initialization only one? Remember, initialization is only one means this will, listen everyone now, this initialization, right? Declaration time itself, whatever you keep, that is called initialization. Declaration time itself, whatever you keep, that is called initialization. Some people are asking, sir, what about further, sir? Further, whatever you do, that is called modification. In the declaration time, whatever you keep, that is called initialization. Afterwards, whatever you do, that is called modification. See, you can modify. 5 become 4, 4 become 3, 3 become 2, 2 become 1. This is called modification. But this one, declaration time, what you keep, you kept first time, further you are not keeping again. So initialization is one time, but modification can be done many times. Modification can be done many times, but initialization is only once. This problem, listen, this problem, who got everything? Trust me, you will get in the examination 2 marks. In your pocket, you can keep 2 marks now. You can sleep also. In your pocket, you can keep 2 marks. See, take the 2 marks. Take the 2 marks and keep in your pocket and sleep. 2 marks, pakka, bhaiya, pakka 2 marks will come. Just take 2 marks, keep in your pocket and sleep. This problem you got without small doubt. You know, I know what happened exactly. See, the person who don't listen this lecture, you don't know what I written exactly. Some, right? What is that white color? What is that red color? What is going on? Why you written? Why are you cancelling? You know, I know. You know, I know why I written. What is that white color? What is that red color? What is this here? You done whatever way you want. You know, I know what I done. Fine. Are Johan, are you okay? Johan, are you okay? Gayatri, are you okay? Piyush saying very good explanation. Thank you, Piyush. Thank you so much. Thank you, Piyush. Thank you. Thank you, game. Thank you. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Cyan, can we go ahead? See, static variable memory will be created compile time. So if some people are asking, what is the meaning of creating memory compile time? What is the meaning? Listen, what is the meaning of creating memory compile time? It is something like, listen, it is something like, I'm just giving best example. Sir, before running only, how can you create memory? Some students are asking, sir, before running only, how can you create memory? Compile time itself, how can you create memory? It is something like this. Listen, it is something like this one. How can you book the ticket before movie? It is something like this one. How can you book the ticket before movie? Yaar? Movie is at 9:30. How can you book the ticket? Right? Morning 1 o'clock. If the movie is, listen, if the movie is night 9:30, how can you book the ticket afternoon 1 o'clock? Are you getting? Pre-booking, which is also called a static memory allocation. Creating memory compile time itself is nothing but booking a ticket before. Sir, whenever movie is going on, you have to buy ticket, na? Why you bought before? Similar way, whenever program is running, there you have to create memory. Why are you creating before? Exactly what you done for movie. Same thing here also. Someone is saying that, sir, it is static memory, right? Why did it end with -1? Not stack, na? See, Gayatri, it is the stack or static, doesn't matter. You only say what is 0 minus. How it matters? See, at the end of the day, both are memories. Na? Whether it is there in the static or stack, at the end of the day, 0 minus becomes -1. Where I said to you, in the stack only, 0 become -1. Where I said to you, the only thing is, right, is for the, right, if you create a memory for a static variable, it will create compile time. Compile time, you created memory in the static area. Like stack area, static area. So you keep on updating. The only mistake, what people done is, lastly they done 6-1. Lastly they done 0 minus. Because of 0 minus is 0, fail. Because of it is a fail, they neglected 0 minus. Remember, you done 0 minus. You done. Because of 0 minus is 0. Fail. Because of fail, you neglected. No. Whether it is a fail or pass, you done the post decrementation. Whether it is a fail or pass, you done the post decrementation. Fail also post decrementation you done. Pass also you done post decrementation. Fail also post decrementation. Pass also post decrementation. Are you getting? Fail also post decrementation. Pass also post decrementation. Are you getting? You got it? Lastly, one small mistake people done. Because of fail, they neglected. The person who is giving question paper, he also know you neglect. He is the very emotional person. The person who is giving question paper, he will think, oh, students may neglect this. Okay, let me give, right? So that correct person will go to IIT. Let me give. First, see this one. First, he will do by himself. The person who is giving question paper, IIT professor, first he will do by himself. He went wrong. Oh, I went wrong. Okay. This is the correct one to give in the exam, so that many people will give wrong answer. So please be careful. All GATE exam problems are almost like this. Small mistake you will do. But you can avoid this if you do more practice. You can avoid this. Yeah, let's move to one more problem.